Noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that works like a noun in a sentence. A noun clause begins with following words: how, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, why. The noun clause. First one, object of verb phrase. He told me that he would never come here again. That he would never come here again is the noun clause object to the verbal phrase told me. Second one, object of the verb. I don't remember where I put my necklace. So where I put my necklace is object of the verb remember. Third one, subject of the verb. What she told me was not true. What she told me underlined sentence is subject of the verb was. Fourth one, object of the preposition. Everything depends on what he is going to say now. Object of the preposition on. Complement of the verb. This was how the girl said here. Complement of the verb was in opposition to the noun. Our demand that our wages should be increased was accepted by the management. Opposition of the noun demand. Seventh one, complement of the adjective. He was certain that his son would win a medal. Complement of the adjective certain. Thank you.